Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings to the Almighty, the Office Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie the First. And all things that's good. You see? Yeah, man, enough respect to our viewers and subscribers. And if you just view the channel and you like the content, subscribe. You see? Help grow the thing. And if you just you don't know. If you think the pan red, if the word subscribe and you find the pan red, you haven't subscribed. If it's on black, we're good. See it, but never mind. You don't know, nevertheless. Watch. You see? So, after from my observation, me to say, divide and rule is the order of the day, even in amongst I and I people. You see, I and I still observe some leadership character still and maintain them agenda there, even amongst I and I people. You see, ignorance, I don't know, make people feel like some benefits are dead if you have some guy, when they meant it. You see the few, you see the 1% will run the planet's wealth, and have the 99% that we are. I'm extra 10%. The 10% will run the planet's wealth. And have the 90% that we are struggle. Yeah. We pay them boy the handsomely, man, for maintain certain level, so that we can all do the longer we the confusion and the longer them benefiting and the more profit them get. See? History has always teach us, man, time after time, man. Leaders get persuaded and seduced by the trinkets and the personal benefit. At least in not struggle like we again. See? A lot of time them get a compromise. Every man have them farts, You see it, a lot of time some guy get caught, and say Donald Trump get caught in a way name in a Russia pan camera or piss in a people's bed. Them think me not say that are true, me not say that is true, but these are the practices of these peoples in order to gain control over others so that them can manipulate them. See it, with moral boundaries and things like that. See it where exists elsewhere when it exists at other places. See it. Like chopping off and in Saudi Arabia and all them things, exist boy or acceptable boy, but it's okay to be friends and okay for the Saudis to do it. See? It's another box, it's another divide, another strain for maintain a certain level of a certain concept, a certain order, a certain mannerism. You understand what I say? While it's not going to be possible. You see, the reason why you try to group up yourself is because everybody's not going to be like you. So you seek like-minded people to be like you. And we exist in the same frame of mind and energy level of thinking. See, everybody I look for that. See, and no matter how it goes, get everybody run come because let's say a dictator, you decide to have people and they're going to bullet. See, no matter which way you go, I did whip and you try to change again for try to rule with the same mannerism and agenda like the present oppressor and the ones of old. See, unless that you try to do. See. Yes, man, the 10% will pay honestly, man, for our own people them to keep we in ignorance and servitude so that we're not going away. See. Yeah. Well, and a small price to pay out of the profits where them make from the wealth of the earth. Because I tell you, say, Mama Earth can take care of each one away. Make each one away on the earth can have £5 million each from the wealth of the earth, present wealth of the earth. You see it? We don't really need that for live. It's not practical. You see it? Just show you the way. You see it? And again, you always have a man who come up in genius way of making more money. And you always have a man who come up with genius way of losing money as well. So you always have this thing. But what we are talking about are the open access to opportunity. You see, for even correct them mistake there by losing yours. And you remain in a servitude and can't grasp back yourself above certain social standards again. You see. That are the thoughts, Rasta. You see. And that are I man thoughts when I man observe what go on. You see. Monks I race as a people. You see. No design not dead, no strategy not dead, no tactics not dead, really and truly. You see, that is the same all hate. War, make war, same war approach, war agenda type thing. Me not say that can't work, but really the reality of that working is that really would have to, Africa would have to get big and prominent and proficient with it and make it own a gun and bomb them and thing then some boy afraid for do certain things to we as a people because we have somebody we love we do it back to them too. See it. And if that's the case, wouldn't they have fight for the farmer? It wouldn't be, no, would I just get that naturally, see it. Mm-hmm. Yes, decent train of fall out there. Yeah. So, it's not like some man out there will mean well, But I don't see the device or the divider work, Rasta. You don't see it because I see mankind have a common enemy, Rasta. Mankind enemy is opportunity and wealth, You don't see it? Yeah. Yeah, we lead as them, like I said, with them lead with scientific precision and science. You see it, and faith. You see it. But you see the comfort of mankind creature comfort them and got enable him to start think now and ask questions and demand more and them thing they like me always say. So it's obvious it's easier to contain and keep we subdued when we're under certain separation and division. And we can't see, we can't relate. We can't relate to each other. Say we have the same problem and issues them. Seen? And then now who want to direct whatever aspect of him, a principle, culture, him just, see it. But right now, as mankind, we have, we don't need the glasses to that again, Rasta, unless we still lay stupid. We need for bungle up Rasta when we go back to fight for blackness, man, and nationalism and all them type of thing there. You see it? The enemy show himself now, man. And the enemy show himself, man. Who you thought was the enemy is not. No, it's not the enemy. You see it? Okay, and we are enable the enemy with the divide and the bigotry. I tell you that from my perspective, You see it? I don't know how some man view it. With some 100-year-old, 1,000-year-old tactics will never work one day yet. You see it in a sense, keep doing the same thing over and over, expect a different result. It's madness that are greed, where a guy benefit from the madness and maintain it. Because some madness that I score this Rasta. At one point I give up Rasta and just feel like we just born for come on earth and be a witness to abuse. They don't go back to spot where I come from. You see it? Because I couldn't see no way out. I can't pull out the thing I go. Everything what we keep saying we are trying right now has been test, tried, and proven over and over, Rasta. You know, see, and if the man them we are all along the separatism and the divide not having no plan for attract to feed them sense of humor. Because must a joke. If you don't realize, say, people see, say, everybody have a common enemy and you have an agenda. You and enough people like yourself will find themselves in a position like on yourself have the same agenda, have to maintain the agenda. Right across the world, man. Look on Africa. Put all of the leaders them of Africa on a platform and make them talk. Them talk with a stronger foreign accent than an African accent, most of them. Where them get that from, Rasta? Because long media England and all now, me still talk with the pattern where me come from in Jamaica with. Things and time and slang and them things they might change. Yes, I might have adapted a few phrases and terms and things like that. In some sense, to some degree, we might know if we communicate another accent. You know, but I still know, and I like some comfortable talking the accent. You see. So I don't understand how them just go to college, America or England or wherever, Europe, wherever, and come back. And I speak, more like a German with a Nigerian accent than a Nigerian with a German accent. And vice versa right around the board. You go observe it for yourself, Rasta. You see it. I paid agent them then in my book. I might be wrong because I grade 7 me stop got school, Rasta. You see it. In Jamaica, my parents couldn't afford to send me to take common entrance and them thing that higher. You see it? So I don't know where we're there. Because everybody observe something will look more plausible. Every other group in the world observe a more plausible cause to this whole confusion. And I still a fight against with one another. And talk with a balls bigger and who have more girl and all them things there. Them little petty thing there are our distraction as a people. And the people them will keep bringing them things there up. I get paid handsomely to maintain that level of ignorance amongst I and I Rasta. You see it? Probably with the intention of the reward of repatriation, some sort of financial repatriation. Rastafari. Just like what go on with the stimulus check them the other day, I mean, say the money they just straight back in the white market. Same thing would happen with any reparations where black people get. Black people we don't have no foundation set up, Rasta. Them save money we know so much we keep we divided and I keep with Bobo Shanti and I keep with Naya Bingi and I keep with this and that. Yeah? Them same man they don't have no plan, no financial plan, no long-term plan or nothing for the group where they want to try to keep separated. And when we are going to learn them skills, the Rasta? When? So, somebody I get paid for maintain a status quo, Rasta. You see? Yeah, man. Look out for we have to look out for that. We have to, you know, see it. We have to take serious stock of that Rasta. Too much evidence throughout history will prove that to it. You know, see it. We can't dare, son. Neglect them things there now. Denial, we are living us constantly again. We don't know where to go. If we don't observe and exhaust certain like petty claims vigorously, Rasta, them keep repeating and everybody else laugh after when them see the you see it, certain little things where some little trivial issues will hold us back. You see it, and one of them is where a man act like imperfect and him know it all. Everything where you know, you get it from the same people and where you detest. You get it through for them avenue. Mostly. The few man them will access other areas of knowledge. Nobody come go on like so well then you don't know, you know. Nobody, yeah. Well no can man. Well no can over there, so man. And I don't fit enough to talk. You see, but there's a demography that is being neglected. You see it? You see it? Yeah. Yes, Rasta. Them, I represent a critical demography within the happenings of things. We are a facility where them are the fuel to the fire of things. And them is purposely being neglected by paid agents who act like them have them best interest at the heart as well. You see it? And I get that, you know, see it. Me them trust myself with them money where them I get. Me never want a boy come in, I just stop talk, not tell a lie. Because you can't trust man with them level of access there to power and opportunity. You see? And again, you know what? Some boy they not get what them deserve. None of them not get what them deserve. They might get better than what them used to get. You see? And them secret being kept in a most case. them just get all the normal wage for the service of the portfolio with them hold. You see it? Yeah, cause that's a blackmail thing I go on and all them thing the Rasta. You see it? No man I protect all them pride. You see, if we walk from the position and make a more pristine character go so boop and hold it and deal with it. You see it? Aya. You see it? Yeah, I be that I go enough of that. What? A lie? A lie, I tell Rasta. Now we can't be selective with reality neither again. Selective way of thinking you see, we have to think critical, we have to think like police, Rasta. Everybody is a suspect, Rasta. Everybody is a suspect. You see, even me, money there on this YouTube page, the advert them go on this YouTube page, I feel, you know, I cannot do this for them there. You see. You see, I'm glad now cash up there and them thing there no MoneyGram these days deliberately so. You see, cause you don't know. You don't know. I might be wrong with everything where I think, but me know it's not a normal, it's not a regular chain of thought I hold. I don't need no guy to tell I that, you see. Grown troubadour, grown generals tell me that, you see. Sometimes I know the content, you know, the intent. You see. Yes, Rasta. Them way that I think higher, and them that are my campaign, and that are my direction, Rasta. You know, see it. See after that now the priest them and can moralize when need moralizing. You know, see it. After that the army and the soldier them can militant when them want to get militarized. You know, see it. After that, government and politician can go in and which position them want to go in. And I will be standing here with the people. I always observe and I educate. You see it? I just saw it go and ask questions where I don't understand because I don't feel for that. You see it? No matter how much money you're pushing on my hand, I want to really what I say. I want to hear the final word. You see, because enough man go so boop and I feel the Kyle and I say how much it is. I estimate how much it is, Kyle. Nah, go so boop and blame. No, man, I'll do that. You see, but this is the words where I come, I get the energy and the meaning and the intent behind the money. You see it. You see it. Can't trust nobody. I am not here asking to be trust, loved, and adored or revered. That's a special one. Everything what I tell I them written in a book so that you see. It's just as I add them up with a different formula. I say it go. You see. Yes, Rasta. This is a humanity, it's a fight for humanity, Rasta. How some man think How some man think this is a fight for humanity, Rasta. And I look how long it has gone. You know, see, right now we have access to all sort of resource and knowledge and confirmation and all them things there. And all of these, even the government, even the guy them say them a rule, man, accept and admit certain things, man. You know, see, it's central if centralize the power, man, and approach the thing the right way, make way, not with demands. You see. But we all do it disorganized. Some man a pull this because some boy say some man a do it. Some man a do it for money, Rasta. You know see it. Me know some man a Jamaica where I do it for money and do it for money. But that a go on for years and a petty change them I get anyway. And even if them never did I get for them change them I get. It's a possibility that we would still didn't get nothing. And some more money that dead for maintain the order because the police are come and the soldier are come. You see it, you know, just get free will for roam and do as you feel. You know, that neither. You see it. You see it. So that go on too. We know we are aware of that. And at that we could know say it's possible. And that we could know say the evidence is there because we're not seeing a difference because we live it, you know. Perpetual our teeth them bright, you know. Then nobody with no more hiding, you know, and deceit with them things, you know. No man. Oh man, our thief will tell a girl, say, yo, me a thief, you know, where I deal, what your name? Yeah, man. You see it? So we know them things there, all the strategy and all them things that work, and every evidence is there, say, so what we think and what we, you see it? It's just Jamaica is a microcosm of the international process, the whole process work and operate Rasta. You know see it. And them thing that people are balling and we are balling and talk about them thing there from day that. Nobody don't really address them level there yet. We still have a big little corrupt boy down there where we have as one gone, one come. You know see it. Come all off the gate again. And nobody people who have sense can't even talk. You know see it. Because you have some boy, you know, with the come with them brute force and them bullying and rate and them petty argument. Well, prepare for come call you, discredit all your intent and all them thing there. Call you all a gay guy to make all a girl, you know me I say, video you and share have all interferes and them way and carry go show all the crowd. This, you know, all them could think there, them could deviousness there. It might not have happened that way, but just a scenario for show it to the depths and the lengths where men and people will go for acquire and maintain power. You know see it. You know see it. Because power Rasta. You see it, you know the ghetto and you have the ghetto calm and you say you're a leader, you're the party activist and all them things there, yeah, man. Gatekeeper. You see it. Yes, Rasta. Where they are, where the intended, where the learned argument them there. You know see it. See Marcus Garvey come out line of direction. You see it. And what if a man get a lot more skill and successful than Marcus Garvey and publicly acknowledge what Marcus Garvey said and not contribute nothing to the development and just say, yes, Garvey, Ray, and just dead with him millions same way, man. Not do nothing for push the cars or energize the thing. You see, you know. There. Come out of the device, yeah? Come out of the box. So that what happen, you know. Have weight in it. You know, see, have one, you know, as a matter of fact, I'm united with a guy, you know. You know, see, united with a guy. You know, see, it's that word that's a confusing and disruptive. That's if you not have free thinking, man, you will easily get sucked in, man, by various people, man, with different agenda. You know, see it, because humanity, that's it. You see, we don't all see the value of each other the same way, Rasta. You see, right across the board, right across the world, we don't all see the value of each other the same way. Right here now. You know, see it. And no matter what I go on, we always go have that thing. No matter if we even go group up ourselves in our box over there. So that we are going to have that. You know, see it. And if we don't stop entertain that sort of mentality there. You know, see it. Yeah. We are going to always have opposition. You know, see it. A strong opposition too. It's so I feel, Rasta. Some man feel some other way, them just do them thing, you know, see it. I just say it go, Rasta. Yes, I. Share, like, and subscribe, yes, sir.